Hey guys, what is going on? And you're probably wondering why I'm showing you a old recycle bin. The truth is that I'm planning on turning this old broken recycle bin into a planter for Sarracenia pitcher plants. Yes, you've heard me correctly. I've had this. This has been an idea in the works for a while, but I just never got off my lazy butt to actually do it. And so if it was broken in a few locations, like over right there and right there. I started using the Flex Seal, the spray kind, the spray can version. Yes, yesterday, but it just wasn't sealing all the cracks. And today I went back and tape and use of the strong Gorilla tape, and I just sealed the cracks, at least the open ones, right right over there and right over here. And then once those were sealed, actually I also sealed the the water drainage holes right here that lets the water out if it happens to be raining, because I want this to hold water. And then I went back and I sprayed on the Flex Seal. It's like spray on rubber is essentially of what it is. If you happen to be living in another country and you don't know of what it is, and there's two versions of it. One version is the spray can version that goes on like spray paint, and the other one is like a paint can that you dip your brush into and you've paint it on. The spray can version was cheaper, so I happened to go with that. And so if you ever use Flex Seal, do it outside, because it makes a huge mess. Wear gloves. I did. and also it smells. So if do it in a well ventilated area, if you happen to be using it. And so and you have to let it sit. The first coat you sit for like 24 hours, go back. If it's not fully sealed, go back again with another coat. And then personally, I would just, this is what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna let it sit for a few days, let the fumes air out, and let the Flex Seal and the Gorilla Tape bond, and just make it get a little bit sturdier. I have another one. I haven't decided what to do with the other one yet. I will put the American pitcher plants in here. That's what the Sarracenia are. Only if the warden lets me get some and put some in here. I'll be putting this in the backyard where there's no grass, and just because most carnivorous plants like full sun. And so that is what I was doing. I would have done it step by step, but I do not have anything to mount this camera on to have my hands free. It's one of those that you have to have your hands free with. So if you happen to like this content, give me a like, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.